Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram posts from mobile. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin our tutorial. First, we will be needing to open our Instagram or edits or whatever you are going where you are going to post your videos. So in my case, I'm just going to choose Instagram, and from here we will be needing to click on this plus. This would allow us to start choosing some media from our gallery so we can start editing on it or just simply post it. So here you can choose either post, story, reel, or a live. And of course, live wouldn't be applied here. And I'm just going to choose this as a reel. You can then have any editing that you would like to have or to add into your video. You can have some filters, stickers, etc. Also, you can have this edit button where you will have a more uh, advanced way to edit your video. Then you click on next, and from here you will be able to start uh, scheduling your own stories or your own posts. So here we will find more options. As you can see, there is this sharing preferences, and from here you will be able to schedule this reel. And here you will need to click on schedule, or you will need just to turn this on. You choose the day or the date where you want to schedule or to have this post posted, and then you click on done. And as you can see, you will have it added here, and then you will have all the other options that you can add. You can hide whatever you would like. You can choose and change all the settings that you would like. And in case you don't have these sharing preferences, maybe it's because you don't have a professional Instagram. So you can change your type of account from a personal to a professional one, and you will be having these options added. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.